Good morning, everyone. My name is David Choi, SVP LG Display. Actually, I am in charge of the promotion for all display products worldwide. Today, the topic of my presentation is display trend and LG display direction in the year 2013. Actually, display technology is developed so far according to the trend of the flat display and the higher resolution and large size. So we are facing it nowadays UHD, Ultra HD, in other words, OK, and OLED. So I'd like to today discuss with you regarding especially on Ultra HD and the OLED, which is very hot issues nowadays. And I'd like to deliver our message to you. What's the value of those products are? Let me start with the Ultra HD color TV. If you look at, first of all, if you look at the value of those products, then firstly, the LCD Ultra HD has the value of high resolution, is a 4K, and the large size up to 105 inches, thanks for the 8th generation and 10th generation battery. And also the curve is a very issues nowadays, even though there is some problem with the picture quality, and the 3D again. And for OLED is a real curved the technology, because OLED is self-editing the technology, and also thanks for the infinite contrast ratio and the fast response time, so we can realize real improved the picture quality. And OLED do not have the backlight units, so it's a very thinner light features, so that enables us to make a masterpiece design. Actually, the high resolution is introduced in the market. We began to study that high resolution may affect on the 3D, the performance better. So by using a few pages, I'd like to mention about how much the 3D technology is developed so far. When you go to theater, watching the 3D movies, the reason why you are so comfortable and you are so immersive while you are the 3D movies in theater is to have a wide view angle, like a 56 degree for the calculation, and as well as a good contents of 3D film was contributed a lot. In the same way, at home, if you're watching 3D TV by using a 65 Ultra HD and the large size like a 65 inch, then I think you will have a same the film. You have the same feeling and the impression as theater, because in that case, we also have a same wide view angle, like 56 degree with the optimum distance from TV. And on top of that, nowadays, actually, we have a very good 3D films like Avatar and Gravity and Frozen, Hobbit, or something like that. I hope that more than 20 films of 3D introduced in the market a year, and even the Blu-ray discs can be available within 2 months after it's shown in the theater. According to the test result, I very convinced that the large size and the high resolution and the high quality 3D contents will enhance the 3D satisfaction definitely. For example, when I make people watching the 3D TV with the 42 Full HD and the conventional 3D contents, the conventional means not so good 3D film. At that time, only 25% people satisfied with that, the 3D. However, next, in the case of, I asked them again to watch the 3D TV with a 65 Ultra HD, large size 65, and well-made 3D content like Avatar and the Gravity. Then the satisfaction of seeing people goes up over 90%. So if that is true, then high resolution and the larger size plus 3D contents will be the killer combination for the survival of a 3D again. I'm not sure how many people has experience to see 65 Ultra HD and the TV at home. However, if you don't have experience, then please try. I definitely promise you, you will the feeling same, the feeling and the impression as theater. In panel technology for 3D, as you well know, the IPS and the FPR is much better than the VA and the shutter glasses. So, if you choose a good 3D TV, then you have to check 120 Hz all over plus FPR 3D. So I'd like to say you the value of the Ultra HD is not only curved design but also the 3D. It's OLED. Actually, consuming that you are watching the curved TV with your family in a living room. If you check the picture quality from right side person, then A or B area, the picture quality is pretty good. However, the C area, we can find out some picture quality, the problem in the VA technology. It is known that the IPS, the IPS is better than the VA. However, the OLED is a self-emitting technology, so there is no any view angle problem. And also, the thickness of the OLED is only 4.3 millimeter, while the LCD, the thickness is over 30 millimeter. So it's easy, relatively, to bend. That doesn't cause the problem of picture quality at all. And also, the OLED TV doesn't have any liquid crystal and backlight system. So when you bend by forcing, in order to bend the panel module, in the case of OLED, it doesn't cause any the picture quality, especially light leakage. There is no any light leakage in the OLED TV. In the OLED, the panel technology, the LG's wide RGB is better than the RGB in terms of pixel, luminance, view angle, and the ambient, etc. Actually, the white RGB is very perfect for large size, high resolution, the product such as TVs. So that is why only LG display out worldwide can produce already panels nowadays and continuously for a while. In summary, LG display is a technology superior in the future display such as Ultra HD, 3D, and OLED. With the following product release plan, we will continue to be the worldwide #1, the display maker. We will introduce start mass production curved TV from 105 inches to 49 inches in the second half of this year, and even OLED HD, Ultra HD is also available in second half of this year for 77 inches and 65 inches. Because time constraint today, I'm not sure whether how much I can deliver my message to you. However, if you have any question, then please contact me anytime. David Choi at this.com. Thank you for listening.